All right, so this is just a quick video about how you can get your own Chat GPT, the new AI revolution that's changing the world. That's my site. You can go there anytime and get your own version. Now this is how it works. In the blue-gray area, I've typed my question, and the red AI is his response in the pink box. And you can see how detailed he is. If you freeze it and read this, it's amazing. It's like having a $1,000 an hour expert at your disposal for pennies a day. It'll save you money, make you so much money. I could scroll down here and show you the rest of this, but I don't have time in this short video. So that's how it works, and it's very easy. You can get your own at tryme.now.site. Go there, and I'll show you how to do everything that you need to learn real quick and get started with your own AI chatbot.